All right, in this guide, I'll show you how to filter your Outlook emails so everything stays organized and a lot easier to manage. So let's get into it. First, open your browser and head over to Outlook.com, then sign into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, look toward the top of the page right above your messages, and you'll see a small drop down that says Filter. Go ahead and click that. This menu gives you quick filters you can use instantly. For example, you can show only unread emails, only flagged emails, or only messages with attachments. It's a nice way to clean up the view without changing anything permanently. Now, if you want something a little more advanced, like automatically sorting messages from certain people or moving emails with specific words, you'll need to create rules. To do that, click the gear icon in the top right corner, then choose View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. Once the settings panel opens, select Mail from the left side, and then click Rules. This is where the real filtering power is. Choose Add New Rule, and Outlook will ask you to give the rule a name, something like work emails or YouTube notifications. Then set your condition. This could be from a specific email address, subject includes, has attachments, or a bunch of other options. After that, choose your action. For example, you can move messages to a folder, mark them as read, categorize them, or even forward them automatically. When you're done, click Save, and Outlook will apply the rule instantly. Any future messages that match your conditions will be filtered automatically. No extra steps from you. And if you ever need to edit or delete a rule, just come back to the same rules section. Outlook lets you reorder them too, so the most important filters run first. And yeah, that's pretty much how you filter your Outlook emails. Quick filters for fast cleanup and rules for long-term automation. And yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe if you found it helpful.